Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. We are going to look into a topic that says under. Under. In Igbo, under means n'okpuru, n'okpuru, n'okpuru. This under is under preposition. Yes, it is a preposition. In Igbo, you call it n'okpuru. In English, it means under. Now, you can see these two objects. This is a chair and this is a ball. You can find out that this ball is under the chair. This ball is under the chair. Let us see them in sentences. Sentence 1A says, that ball is under the chair. Class, repeat after me. That ball is under the chair. Yes. In Igbo, it means bọọlụ ahụ dị n'okpuru oche. Bọọlụ ahụ dị n'okpuru oche. If I ask you, class, where is the ball? You will say, that ball is under the chair. Class, where is the ball? That ball is under the chair. Yes, remember, we use that to a singular object that is far. A singular thing that is far away. You use that. You point to it and say, that ball is under the chair. Bọọlụ ahụ dị n'okpuru oche. Remember, we don't have another name for ball in Igbo, but we can write it using Igbo letters in writing it. Ahụ means that. Ahụ. Ahụ. Ihe dị otu dị n'ebe dị anya. That is that. Ahụ in Igbo. You point to it. A singular thing, you use that. A singular thing that is far away, you use that to identify such. Okay? Second example. This is a table and this is a cup under the table. Sentence says, that cup is under the table. Class, repeat after me. That cup is under the table. Now, can I ask you questions, class? Is this cup on the table? No. The cup is under the table. Let me ask again. Is this cup above the table? No. That cup is under the table. Very good. In Igbo, it means iko ahụ dị n'okpuru okpokoro. Iko ahụ dị n'okpuru okpokoro. Iko means cup in English. Okpokoro means table in Igbo. Like and share our videos. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us for more. Bye.